the S-Curve Falls Rappel mission. We're in the state park. Taking the fire road up to a fire break, taking it down to the falls. Should overlook the S-curves, rappel down, maybe make it to the road, maybe climb back up, retreat the same way. We'll see. Let's go. We've got the S-curves and a fire break, but I don't think that is the falls. I'm at the fire break, but I think I'm going to keep going, see if I can find another fire break that actually leads to the waterfall. Check it out. Fire break. Trail continues, possibly another fire break down that way. I have found a water source, which is the only one I've seen so far, next to these beautiful purple rocks, which leads me to believe that the falls possibly along this drainage. I'm at the end of a secondary fire trailish thingy. It's too far though. I'm thinking that original drainage I saw is the way to get there. Check it out. Beach. The road down there. That peak right there, definitely too far. So somewhere beyond it, could be right on the other side of it, or on the other side of this part where that fire road drops. We'll have to. We're back at the main drainage source. Time to begin the operation. Drainage drop down. If at any point this gets too gnarly, turning back, because I'm not afraid to turn back. Should never be afraid to turn back. Situation has degraded. It's looking like bushwhack material left and right. Going is very slow. Gotta make it all the way down to there. Not prepared to spend the night out. So thinking I might try the fire road. We'll see. You won't believe how loose the ground is here. Check this out. Boom! Loose as a... I have extracted myself from the drainage. I'm up on the northern ridge from the drainage, but the foliage is pretty well established here. Buffalo gnats are flying all around me. You're getting some poison oaky looking plants. Surprisingly not much poison oak on this trip yet. That's good. The biggest fear in a missioner's repertoire of thinkingness that he's bushwhacked in. It's happened to me. I'm in this clearing. That's where I came from. That's the way down. But everywhere around me, no going forward. I'm gonna have to turn back. But I'm not afraid to turn back because I'm not committed. If you're committed, you probably made a mistake. You should probably turn back anyway. Help, plane, get me out of here. Just kidding, I can get myself out of here. See these flies? I would show you how I'm killing them, but I need a hand to hold you. I've been thwarted again, this time by thick, beautiful dark wood manzanita. And this stuff is hard and sharp. There's the big fire break. I'm stuck. Gotta turn back, but like I said, watch this. Oh, I wasn't even a fly. We're back on the fire road. This is quits for real. So, regarding attempt 1 of S-Curve's Waterfall Rappel mission not accomplished.